Good morning, everybody. It's Rep Jen. It's 4:30 in the morning, and as you can see, I'm outside walking one of the pups. The snowstorm started at 1 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know how long it's going to last. I am here walking one of the pups. That's Remy. She loves the snow, loves it, loves it, loves it. I'm trying to keep her on track. I'm holding on to the camera, and I have my headlights on because it is pitch black out here at 4:30 in the morning and nobody's walking around, just me. As you can see, Remy loves the snow. She really does. My other pup hates it altogether. Took him out first, and he did his thing, and he just wanted to go back inside the house. But she loves it. She loves to walk around and loves to eat it, as you can see.